Today, we're making blueberry scones. This is an easy recipe you're going to love. Start with flour, sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Then add unsalted butter and a stick of cream cheese. Use a pastry blender to blend it into the flour mixture. And then add blueberries and lemon zest. Then mix milk and an egg with 2 teaspoons of vanilla and give it a whisk. There's not a lot of liquid here, but it's enough for this dough. So mix it up, and then we give it a few kneads on a floured cutting board and just pat it into a round. Use a biscuit cutter and cut straight down through the scone. Place them on a baking sheet and brush with a little cream and some sparkling sugar, and then bake. They're beautiful, moist, tender, light, flaky, delicious. Enjoy.